What is up, guys? It's Simon from PianoPig.com, and I'm back in 2024 to give you the goods, deliver the beans, and show you how to make some serious progress with your playing this year. In this week's video, I'm going to show you one of my favourite little tricks that I use all the time in my own playing. Now, I highly doubt he's going to be watching this, but I give full credit to Robert Glasper for this, as I 100% stole this from him. It is very Glasper-esque, super hip, and actually much easier to play than you might think. Let's do it! Let's simplify things to begin with. Let's just play a D minor chord in the left hand. And I'm actually going to play a D minor 9, using a rootless voicing. So I'm thinking D minor in the left hand, and if we were going to improvise over this, we might use a D Dorian scale. This is all fairly standard stuff, and you should probably make sure you are somewhat familiar with this, and you can improvise some melodic lines over a D minor chord. So that's step one. Make sure you can improvise over a chord. It doesn't have to be complicated, it can be really simple language. Step two is to take it all up a half step. So we were just playing over a D minor chord. If we move it up a half step, that would take us to E flat minor. And also with the Dorian scale, and again, you want to just practice improvising over this one chord. Finally, we have step three. And what you're going to do here is improvise over your D minor chord. And every now and again, literally just for one beat of the bar, very briefly sidestep up a half step into that E flat minor, and then quickly bring it back into D minor. So for example, we could be playing around in D minor here, and then we could very quickly go to E flat minor, and then back to D minor. So I'm going to get some drums on and show you how that might sound in context. So coming in with D minor, and then E flat minor, ready? Here, and then back. So spend some time playing around with that and really trying to think about actually composing some lines that smoothly go between E flat and D minor. The hard thing is resolving it tastefully. It's such a great concept that when executed well, sounds really hip. We could also go on to apply this to a progression with more chords. Let's add an A minor in there to make it a 2-chord progression. And this time, we're going to anticipate each chord with the half step above. So just before the D minor comes, we'll play some E flat minor. And just before the A minor comes, we'll play some B flat minor. This is how that might sound. And there you have it. The idea itself is really simple, but you could practice this concept for years. I recommend starting with a 1-chord vamp and getting used to that, and then try it over a 2 or 3 chord progression using the half step above to anticipate the chord that's about to come. Try it out, let me know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.